decent fish. Yep, decent fish on the Panther Martin. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. What's up, YouTube? Shoop Outdoors here. Out here doing some river fishing for some brown trout. Let's see what we can catch. Stay tuned. Just out here doing some trout fishing. Looking for some brown trout, cutthroats, or rainbows. I'm throwing it's a Rapala Countdown CD5 minnow in rainbow trout color. I'm throwing it on the Phoenix. I kind of tuned it up. I wanted to get into some trout. I haven't really, oh, I feel like a bump already. I haven't done this in a while, and I thought I'd show you guys how I approach fishing these rivers with Rapalas and spinners and such. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just casting to the other side of the edge, and I'm just letting the current float this Rapala down, and I'll reel it in slow. But mainly what I'm looking for is breaks in the water where them trout will be holding, right? So like that calm spot on the other side over there. So we're just gonna pretty much just run and gun this river, this stretch, and see if we can hook into some fish. Make another cast down there. And generally what you want to do is just, you're pretty much fan casting and trying to cover as much of this water as you can to try and get a bite. Like right there, I'm reeling slow because I can feel that current hammering on that Rapala. And I got some moss on there. Okay. I'm gonna jump over here, see if I can get a little bit closer to that edge. Woo. When you cast upstream, you want to reel a little bit faster until you feel the action of that bait, so it doesn't hit the bottom and get snagged. I just want to work the outside of that edge, and then I'll cast over here on this inside too. See if we get anything to eat. So I'll give this a few more casts, and I'm gonna probably walk upstream. I generally don't like to fish a spot too long, especially when I'm trying to find the fish. It just goes back to covering water. Oh, I just had one. Just had one. Just had one. Damn it. Darn it. Let me try that again. Hooked up to a good fish. Oh, it's gonna be hard trying to fight him in this current. Let's see if I can get him into this edge. Oh, he's a good fish. That's a good brown. Let's go, dude. Let's go. These Rapalas are just so deadly on these rivers. Oh, he's so pretty. I have to figure out how I'm gonna land him. He's a good fish. Oh, there he goes. I should have brought a net. Damn it, man. Too much pressure. That's good fish. Got another right off the back. I think I might have found a little pool of them. Let's see here. Okay. Whew. Yep. So that's what, two casts right in that hole. There you guys go. Beautiful brown. Beautiful. And let her back. There she goes. They might be sitting in that little pocket. Ah, that first one was a good fish. That was a good fish, that first one. Let's try again. That's a big fish. That one's gonna hurt really bad. That's my fault too, not bringing a net doing this. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Looked like they were just hitting on in that seam right there. That's where it looked like they were sitting. Oh, that was such a big fish, man. I can't get over that. Dang it, dude. It's probably my last one, and I'm gonna go change spots. I generally, if I catch one or two fish out of one hole, I generally don't like to stick around. Usually what I've found is them fish will, when you fight the first few of them, it kind of tends to spook the rest that are sitting in that hole. So I'm gonna go find a new spot. Got snagged, lost my Rapala, tied on to Panther Martin. I'm gonna start with the black and yellow with the gold blade. See if that'll produce any fish. I would throw another Rapala. The other one I have is gold, and I'll probably try that if I don't get nothing on this. I found these brown trout. Yeah, there's a chase. I found these brown trout. They like the yellow and gold. It seem to be pretty solid colors to catch these fish with. These Panther Martins, I like to see what I mean about line twist. But anyways, with these Panther Martins, I like to cast upstream and reel them down. Just start reeling to where you can feel that blade moving. And just same thing, just cover your water, cast in slower pools and eddies. And fish really like to sit where the current's coming through, and then on the side of it is calm. They'll sit on that just waiting for food to come down for them. Let's see. Let this hit across. There we go. Seems like decent fish. Yep, decent fish on the Panther Martin. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. See that, guys? Kind of horsey, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that trout. He is gorgeous. Get this Panther Martin out of him. There you guys go. Beautiful brown. Got that red dorsal. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. That was just on that Panther Martin I tied on. That's all I did was cast in that calm stuff And I reeled a little bit and just let it drift in that current, and he smacked it. Let me know if you guys enjoy this type of content. I enjoy making this kind of content just to kind of show you guys how I like to fish these waters in Utah and what I find is the most productive for me anyways, and everything I've learned over the years. That was cool. That trout hit pretty hard. Hey, just wrapping up the day. Caught the 2 browns landed. I lost that big one. Man, that eats me. I'm gonna be thinking about that fish for a while. Well, I hope you guys learned something from this video, and please like and subscribe for more fishing tips and more fishing adventures. Thank you.